Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to charge the battery of Canon EOS R50 V. So with our camera, we have the charging dock with a cable. So first, plug in the cable and connect it to the charging station. And now, take your camera, flip it around, and here we have the battery. So first, flip the switch to open. Now, pull this lever upwards and take out the battery. Now, here we have the charging station. We have our battery. The arrow goes right here and just push it. And as you can see, the charge indicator light up. And to plug it in, just push the battery, lift it upward and take out. Then once again, flip around and put your battery like this. Here you can see a little square that is missing out. It needs to go into the lever because it pulls the lever upwards, the gray lever right here. So adjust and push. Now close and flip this lever to close. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.